Hey there, friends. Today, for your Hot Topic station, we're going to continue thinking about numbers, how much they're worth or their value, and then comparing numbers. Our first job is to get some paper. I have little cards here that I'm going to use, and you're going to write your numbers 1 all the way to 20. Now, I have my numbers written, and I need each number on its own card. So I have all these cards with the numbers 1 to 20 written on them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them upside down so I can't see the number. And then I'm going to pick two cards. So I'm going to look up. I pick 1 and this one and 2. Now I'm going to look at my cards and I'm going to say their numbers. Well, this one's number 1, and this will look backwards to you, but it's right to me. But this is number 14. I'm going to think about how much 1 is worth, or their value. If I need to, I can get out a tool like my tiles we used in our last game and make the number 1. Now, I'm going to think about the value of 14. This one's a little harder for me to think about its value. So I'm going to build 14 if I don't know how much it's actually worth. So I can get out my tiles and I can make a line of 14. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, I can see that my row of 14 has way more than my row of 1. So 14 must be more than 1. So I would say 14 is more than 1. Now, this next one, I'm going to try to do it without a tool. So I'm going to get my cards back. I'm going to put 14 and 1 back in. I'm going to pick 2 new cards. And this time I have 8 and 10. Well, I'm going to think in my brain, and I'm going to think about how I count. And when I count, which one comes first? 8 or 10? Well, 8 comes first. So that means 10 must be a bigger number. So 10 is more than 8. So now what you're going to do, friends, you're going to make your number cards 1 to 20. You're going to put them in the pile. You're going to pull 2 cards out at a time and think about which one is worth more and which one is worth less, and talk about which one is more and less. You're going to do this 10 times, and then you can go on to your next activity.